channel. My name is Sierra and I'm coming to you today with this beautiful thing. My husband bought this for me. He's such a good guy, and I thought that I would unbox it with you and see what we got. I have not opened it yet, so I would like to see. I've been working with resin for, I don't know, a few years, off and on, but I've only worked in small amounts that fill molds like this. And now I'm starting to fill bigger molds where they're, 6, 7, 10 ounces. So I always used something the size of this, which is great. I still will use this for my smaller amounts, but when you're mixing larger amounts, I thought I would give this a try. So this is not sponsored. I bought this, or my husband bought this. So we're going to see what we got. And we got a thank you card. Instructions. And we have this here. It's got a, looks like an on, 1, 2, 3. Looks like a reverse button, an AI button. A little recharging cord. Here is the good stuff. Let me get it all out. This back. Set this on the floor. Okay, you come with that. Comes with that. I like that. That's silicone. That's really nice. Yeah. So let's get this back on here. And we got some paddles. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 paddles. So we got 2 larger size paddles, and I'm going to give the measurements of these paddles. These paddles are 2 inches wide. The large is 2 inches wide, and the paddle is about 2 inches wide, 2 inches deep. This one is, let's just lay it on there. Let's do it that way. 1 3/8 or 35 or 3.5 centimeters. Yeah, let's do that. We'll do the other one the other way too. And also, again, 3/8 depth, 3.5 centimeters. So this one, yeah, 2 inches or 5 centimeters. So that's good to know. Put this back. Don't need that out. It comes with a little stand. Ooh, it's adjustable. I like that. So I'm assuming it comes with a Allen wrench and a little screw. So I'm going to get this screwed up and put together, and I'll be right back. I'm back, and I have this stand put together. And also, just so you know, these are plastic. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure they'll clean up easy. This is the 8-ounce cup that I use. The small one fits in there with some wiggle room. The larger one fits, and it would actually, I probably would use this one. I'm not sure. I would have to actually use it to see. There's two little, it's like a mixer. Like if you have a hand mixer and you got the little paddle with the little doohickeys on there, you just click it in. I don't have it charged right now. Then you pull it out. But yeah, click it in and then it sits on the stand like that, which I really like. I like that it doesn't have a very big footprint. The footprint on this, let's take this off. It's 4 1/8 by 5 7/8, which would be 15 centimeters by, don't want to forget you guys over there across the pond, by just under 10.5 centimeters. Yeah. So there's that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge this up. I have a project planned for tonight, and I will use it and let you know what I think of it. So I will be back shortly with my project. And also, this isn't the largest plug. It's a 5-volt. It goes 180, 270, and 350 RPMs. Wear individual protection equipment if necessary: gloves, shoes, eye protectors, breathing filters. Work in a clean and well ventilated room with sufficient lighting. Do not use with corrosive metals, paint, or herbicide. Do not operate machine close to explosive substances or inflammable material. Do not work close to people, in particular children. Keep tools away from children during and after work. To recharge, charging 4 to 6 hours. The lights, there's 3 little, there's 3 little dots on there. Those flash when charging. When they're fully charged, those lights stay on. Fitting or removing the paddle. To insert the paddle into the chuck, align the paddle with the chuck and push it until secure. To remove the paddle, please pull it straight out of the chuck. Manual mode. Manual mode is suitable for resin art professionals to control the mixing time according to their needs. Fully immerse the paddle in the resin or other solution to be stirred before switching on the resin mixer. Switch on or off, which is this button, the top button. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on the machine. Short press the power button to adjust the speed gear. The speed gear corresponds with the LED lights. I guess these little LED lights. Long press the power button for 2 seconds to turn the power off and 2 seconds to turn off the power and beep sound. Forward eye reverse rotation control. During use, short press the direction key to change the mixing direction. Cleaning and storage. Wipe the residue down with a baby wipe or disinfecting wipe and then wash the paddle in warm water with mild soap. Your tool requires no additional maintenance. Always store your tool in a cool, dry place. AI mode. This function is suitable for resin art beginners. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on the machine. Then press the AI button, this button down here, to start automatic mixing. When AI mode is running, the LED light will flash. In AI mode, the resin mixer will automatically stir for 4 minutes and will stop automatically after 4 minutes with a beeping alert. That is cool. So there it is. So I will let you know how this works. I'm hoping that it works good. And until next time, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I appreciate all my subscribers. And I will see you in the next video. And you have a good day and God bless.